to relax before going to bed with a ball like this one. Yes. By the end of this video, you'll know some really good moves from this awesome book, Yoga on the Ball, yes, by Carol Mitchell, and especially on relaxation and restoration. We're going to get some of her moves and practice them and just enjoy them, because that is one of the most important things we can do, is enjoy our exercise, our movement, and just have a ball. Have a ball! Yes, with what we're going to do, we're going to start with modified fish, okay? Which is this one, all right? So we lie on the ball, but in order to lie down on the ball, I recommend a yoga mat, okay? And you're actually going to sit first at the end of the mat like this, and you're actually going to walk forward with the support of your hand, and then you're just going to lie like that. And that's going to be the modified fish, okay? It just feels so good. Oh my God, I'm already relaxed. Can you tell? Ah, it's super good, okay? If you're just starting out, use your hands for support. Definitely do that, okay? And you could just start also by sitting on the ball like this. Vika, go baby now. Not your turn, honey. I'll give you more attention after the video. I need to make this, honey, for my friends. For my friends who love my videos. And then I'll be with you, okay? So you could also do it from the sitting position back. And then you extend your knees, okay? So we could say level 1 is just sitting here, like that. And then level 2 is actually on the ball with your knees bent. And level 3 is outstretched like this. And your arms could go back as well. Oh, and just feel the move. Your legs hip width apart, okay? They give you more stability than together. This is harder. This is easier. So do what feels comfortable, even though I'm always telling you to get out of your comfort zone, okay? So go get a ball. If you're just watching this for the first time, and definitely try this too, okay? This is the standing cow pose, okay? And we're going to do it exactly how Carol shows it. I've done this even naturally in my classes, but I'm going to give credit to this awesome book, okay? It explains really well how to do this. So we're going to stand up and have the ball here. Okay, legs hip width apart, and we're going to extend. And you know how the cow is, right? Like that. That's basically it. We can move into it. We could say like level 1, 2, 3, and just feel the Vitilasana. You know, Vitilasana without the ball is this. Okay, so the way she does it, because there's many ways also to interpret it, but basically doing the same thing with the instability of the ball. So the ball doesn't make it easier. The ball makes it harder. I say get comfortable because I want you to enjoy the move. But actually, it's not comfortable because it moves. So you've got to stay stable. How do you keep some stability here? Okay? I could also tell you, you could do Vitilasana just here. Okay? This would be my interpretation. And, you know, instead of this, just having the instability of the ball, or even here, which is a little harder too, and just go like this. Okay? But I find it great the way she does it. So, you know, flex your knees. And do that. Okay? I'm doing it the same way that she's doing it, and it's great. All right, next. All this is for relaxing, restoring your body so that you are feeling good and not stressed. Because this stress, you know, when it's too much, guess what? It makes you sick. So we're going to do the lion pose next. Lion pose is really important if you have any throat issues. Okay, even though they're censoring on YouTube and in social media everywhere, and I got censored and I've gotten suspended and everything, they don't want you to know the natural cures for any flu that's going on. And anyway, just sit on the ball and you stick your tongue out like this. Normally without the ball, you would do it like this. Very simple. Inhale, and when you exhale, you actually stick your tongue out, open your eyes wide, and it's fantastic. Now, this is how I would do it. A little exaggerated, but of course you can just sit still. Although I can't go back right here so that you can see myself, but you know, this is how she does it, like, which is great. I'm doing lying pose before going to sleep, and it's really, really great. Okay, there's some neck stretches that you could do sitting on the ball as well, and we're gonna go through it. The neck stretches, and the most important thing that I'm always telling you to do is a spinal twist or Kapotasana, okay? So we're gonna do a little combination here. Sitting on the ball. Uh-oh. Well, I can move this up so that you guys can see me completely. There we go. Okay, so this is very important to say yes, to say no to what doesn't serve us, say yes to what does and what is good for us and our evolution, yes. Say maybe if I just stay on social media and, you know, and I do my best, and I also say truths that some people don't want to listen to because of what's going on. But yeah, don't get any kind of injections. Those are experimental, not necessary, not good for you, that kind of thing is what I'm telling you as a biologist. Okay, so this is one of the most important neck stretches that you can do. Feels super good, and you can stay here a few seconds and just breathe. And the more you practice just being in the moment, you can actually relax and breathe. Okay, you should do half circles and full circles. And even slower than that, all right? Next, the twist. That's it, very simple. You start here, you twist to one side and stretch all the way in that pose, okay? You could also move into the pose up and down, side to side, and just enjoy. You could even do circles within the pose and always try to twist even more than you think you can, okay? Inhale and exhale to twist. And you can move into the pose. Be sure that your feet are well planted on the mat. Oh, feels so good. Amazing. All right, we got a lot done already. So, wow, I wasn't planning on doing everything, but this is one of the most important ones that I want to do, which is the kneeling cat, right? The cat pose. And we're going to go into the thread the needle, she calls it. All right, so that's a funny thing that I've been teaching for 27 years or more, and I still refer to books. I still refer sometimes to videos, and I like to give the credit to whoever's doing. Just like some people tell me, oh, Monica, I got some ideas for my classes thanks to your video, so I appreciate that as well. We have to do that, I consider. Anyway, this is the kneeling cat. We have the ball right under our tummy or belly or abs, okay? You've got some good abs. And check out the link so that you can get the 18 secret keys to your best abs, okay? Which is a video course that I created for you to have your best abs that are flat, attractive, firm, for the most part, right? I also teach you what to do on some days and all the factors that are related to it, including how to get rid of the inflammation. All right, so of course, and I also tell you how to have more muscle, less fat, and therefore defined abs, okay? Everybody wants ripped abs, and you can't have ripped abs if you don't have more muscle and less fat in general, okay, in all our body. All right, so body composition is amazing, and here we are relaxing. So before going to bed, definitely just, you know, sit in front of the ball and just lie on it and go like this. Very simple. That's it. You start here, go forward, and that's it. That's the cat, basically. All right, and next. Oh, that's my doggy. My doggy's sleeping already. He's sleepy. All right, thread the needle like this. This arm goes under. You gotta have some control. And you can stay as long as you want, at least 2 breaths. Inhale, exhale, and relax into the pose. Oh my God, it feels so freaking good. It really does. All right, next page up. Okay, this is so good. I usually show you this Kapotasana or pigeon pose. That is amazing, okay? So 1 leg front, 1 leg back. Extend this one. So I would say level 1 like this, level 2 extend, level 3 go forward into the pose. Can you see it? Okay, and stay there as long as you can. I'm kind of rushing. Well, I'm not rushing it. I'm just doing it as quickly as possible so that I have a chance to include all the poses that I wanted to give you. So you have almost a whole workout or routine. Okay, so level 1, level 2, and level 3. Pigeon, pigeon, pigeon. Amazing. Love it. Fantastic. All right. And yes. Uh-oh. Where's my timer? World. Okay, I got 2 minutes left. All right. This is one of the most important ones. And we're going to end with this. Yeah, I could go on. Maybe we could do part 2. But yes, let's do this one, which is so amazing. It's reclining spinal twist. This is one of the most important things you can do. And we're going to end with a final relaxation, which is the rocking child pose, which is similar to the cat. But look at it. Look at how she hugs the ball completely. Okay? And let's do that. Yeah, so this is going to be like level 1. Level 1? Oh my God. Is it? Yeah. It's still going. 2, 3. Is this working? Is this working? Yes, it is. Okay, I'm just checking my timer, make sure it is working. So yeah, definitely, let's do it. Okay, we lie down on the mat with the ball under our calves, okay? Shoulders away from our ears, and we're gonna roll the ball with our legs on top like that. Level 1. I would say level 1 is here, level 2 and level 3 all the way to the side, okay? I gotta take this curtain away. Okay, you see? Oh my God, it feels so good, so good, so good. That's it. Simple, 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 simple. Simple, it's so freaking effective. It is. Okay, so side to side. And finally, as promised, and who knows, we might even do some more. But, you know, I wanted to let you know that my plan is to keep on teaching you moves like this, where you're just like hugging the ball. And also really letting your head go forward. Hey, you see my legs are separated, so I have a lot of stability in order to do that. And then you have a neck massage. You can go forward and back, yes. Rocking is really great. Kids and, yeah, I was going to say animals, not necessarily, but what happened here? Oh, God. Uh-oh, something happened. So I don't know how long this video has been. I'm like, oh, was that stuck? Oh, 13 minutes. Okay, I think that's good. So definitely subscribe, like, share with some people who could use this, and absolutely do the Shavasana, which is like the, you know, the last pose of yoga and the first one. Most classes end with this, and just lie down and relax your legs over the ball and just stay here. You can breathe. You can stay here for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, and maybe you'll fall asleep. Very easy. Monica, wake up. Oh yeah, I gotta say bye. So thank you guys. You know what to do. Leave a comment how you like this video, how you like my new videos, how you like me to do yoga on the ball, and much more. And I'll be back. Thank you so much. and check out the links so that you are on my list.